Best Practices for Azure Synapse SDK is a comprehensive guide that helps developers and data engineers optimize their use of Azure Synapse Analytics. To get started with Azure Synapse SDK, it is essential to understand the key concepts and components involved. First, you need to install the Azure Synapse SDK, which can be done using pip or other package managers. Once installed, you can import the necessary libraries and start building your application. One of the best practices for Azure Synapse SDK is to use authentication and authorization to secure your application. This can be achieved by using Azure Active Directory and role-based access control. Another best practice is to optimize your queries and workflows for performance. This can be done by using efficient data processing algorithms, caching data, and optimizing storage and compute resources. When working with large datasets, it is crucial to handle errors and exceptions properly. This can be achieved by implementing retry mechanisms, logging errors, and monitoring application performance. Azure Synapse SDK also provides features for monitoring and debugging applications. You can use these features to track application performance, identify bottlenecks, and optimize your application for better performance. In terms of security, it is essential to encrypt data in transit and at rest. Azure Synapse SDK provides features for data encryption, which can be used to secure your data and prevent unauthorized access. To get the most out of Azure Synapse SDK, it is recommended to follow best practices for coding and development. This includes writing clean and modular code, using version control systems, and testing your application thoroughly. By following these best practices, you can build scalable, secure, and high-performance applications using Azure Synapse SDK. Additionally, you can take advantage of the many features and capabilities provided by Azure Synapse Analytics to optimize your data engineering and analytics workflows. Some practical examples of using Azure Synapse SDK include building data pipelines, creating data lakes, and developing machine learning models. By using Azure Synapse SDK, you can streamline your data engineering and analytics workflows and gain deeper insights into your data. Overall, Azure Synapse SDK is a powerful tool for building scalable and secure data engineering and analytics applications. By following best practices and using the many features and capabilities provided by Azure Synapse Analytics, you can get the most out of your data and drive business success.